Build a website with Wix ADI. Now, now that we have a website with identity, let's get to the exciting start building it. Your first step is to pick a suitable color scheme and fontly style. Wix ADI with percent name options with per definite color filters pick on you like and let Wix do the rest. Pick a theme you like. After a minute or two, Wix ADI with percent 3D website design with everything include seriously everything you will have here image product drop manually heading button and more. Roll over is designed to take a quick tour and get a sense of how they look. Once you select the Wix homepage that speaks to you, Wix ADU generator some isn't page. Once they are ready, click the add page button to include them in the first final website. When you are ready to take the Wix tutorial to the editing step and click it side. So make sure general speak the Wix ADI editor is better for beginner or anyone who like to perform quick edits. Just click on design element like image or button to customize them. On the left a menu bar offers with a variety of options that, depending on the element, let you sense things like image, title and more. If you click the selection design button, you can change color, font or the interface layout with a few clicks. So while a good rank of page, your site might call for something different. You can search Wix catalog or pre-made page by clicking add page from the top menu bar. So thank you.